If you wait for me, then I'll come for you. Although I've traveled far, I always hold a place for you in my heart. If you think of me, if you miss me once in a while, then I'll return to you. I'll return and feel that space in your heart. Remembering your touch, your kiss, your warm embrace, I'll find my way back to you if you'll be waiting. If you dream of me like I dream of you, in a place that's warm and dark, in a place where I can feel the beating of your heart. Remembering your touch, your kiss, your warm embrace, I'll find my way back to you if you'll be waiting. I've longed for you, and I have desire to see your face, your smile, to be with you where you are. Remembering your touch, your kiss, your warm embrace, I'll find my way back to you. Please say you'll be waiting. Together again, it'll feel so good to be in your arms, where all my journeys end. If you can make a promise, if it's one that you can keep, I'll have to come for you if you wait for me. And say you hold a place for me in your heart, a place for me in your heart. a place for me in your